needed to bring high-tech new equipment into the classroom so that our students can actually work on the machines that are out there in our industry today. We're installing a variety of machines, some CNC milling machines, CNC lathes, CNC plasma cutters, CNC desktop machines, as well as manual lathes, manual mills with readouts that actually work. We could not be doing this without our program partner, OCTE. That's the Ontario Council of Technology Education.
We've seen students more engaged in what they're doing and interested in the career when they leave high school. We see parents engaged because they see future and hope for their child.
Our numbers have grown substantially over the last 3 years because of the CTMA program. We can help prepare our students for industry specifics, especially with the CNC machines. Students will get a basic knowledge and then they can apply that knowledge out on their OYAP placement.
We can't, as educators, get this funding. It's outside companies like the CTMA and OCTE that provide an opportunity for our students and for us as educators to upgrade equipment. So it's hugely beneficial.